Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your headphones JBL Tune 520 on your iPhone. And basically we have a few options how to check it. The first one, we can create a widget, so press and hold that empty space. Then click Edit or Plus at the left top. Add widget. Now scroll down and you need to find batteries. Right here we have it. Click on it and here's 3 presets. Choose the best one for you and after you decide, click Add widget. And you can check battery percentages right here anytime, but make sure that your headphones is turned on and connected to your phone. But as I said previous, we have also the second option is to use an application. So you need to open JBL Headphones application. Now click on your headphones, or you don't need it. And right here at the top we also have a battery percentages. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!